Oh, look at that one. That's 2 wides. That's gone miles down the leg side. Well, that's one of the biggest wides of all time.
And not only that, it's an interesting action he's bowling with. Inzamam-ul-Haq.
Well, let's have another look at the action. He's actually no-balled him. Now, Fozzie went over the front line. Just let's have a look. Just watch this action. Well, I tell you what, this is risky on Pakistan's part. I reckon there's a definite jerk in that action. Well, this is unbelievably interesting. I've never seen him bowl before. I think there's a definite jerk. Now the law says, and no ball called again. Well, I think it may just be that we have a sensation on our hands here. Inzamam-ul-Haq, let's see if it's front foot. I don't think so. We made this mistake when little Murali was bowling in Brisbane. Now watch the elbow. Just watch the elbow here. Bends it and then straightens it. Oh, that one way down the leg side. Probably a good thing. They'll probably take him off. 4 wides.
Very little Rashid Latif can do here. It was so wide down the leg side, and he's standing up. He had absolutely no chance. But this is the problem Pakistan have. They picked 2 medium pacers. They have 3 spinners. The fielding restriction is there till the 15 overs are bowled, and you see there he was called no ball for just touching that front line.
The square leg umpire seems to have turned around and is having a good look at him. Short outside off stump, played away through the gap on the offside, running away down towards the boundary. They'll come back for the second. Well, this is dramatic stuff here at the Padang in Singapore. Are we going to see another bowler called for no balling? This is a big risk by Pakistan. I don't think there's any doubt that there's a bit of a jerk in this action. No ball called again. Well, I think he must be going... Now, what's he saying, the umpire? So, real drama here. Let's have another look. Now watch the action. Watch the arm. Watch the eyes of the umpire. Well, I don't think the umpire there is looking down at the line. So, we could have some drama here. There's the action again. David Orchard.